Yeah man, you know, here you have it. My favorite bun and cheese. Well, they say that Jesus feed the multitude with 5 loaves and 2 fishes. Well, Jamaicans feed the multitude with bun and cheese, right? So my favorite bun and cheese is Maxfield bun, right, and Tastee cheese. Right, this is not a paid promotion. The reason why Maxfield is my favorite bun, it is soft and moist, right, and other bun, they are tough and shelly, and I don't like bun tough and shelly, right, so test it out and see what's going on. Yeah man, just as expected. Soft and moist, you know, not tough and shelly. Leave a comment, let me know what is your favorite bun and cheese. Don't know.